Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to vertical split in Gmail. So let's started. At first, open your desktop. Now you can see. Then we open the Chrome browser and open the Gmail. Now click from Gmail option. Now you can see. Open the Gmail and we show new interface. Now vertical split. Now select from toggle split parent mode. Now click from vertical split and horizontal split and no split. Now choose from vertical split. That is, this split is non remove. Now click from no split. That is, now you can see vertical split in Gmail is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment.